Hello everyone. So in this video we are going to learn about the opener oxidation reaction. In the opener oxidation reaction, the alcohol on refluxing with aluminum isopropoxide in acetone and benzene or toluene are oxidized to aldehyde and ketone. So first we will see the what is the aluminum isopropoxide. The aluminum isopropoxide we are going to use as an reactant. So aluminum isopropoxide is written as AlOCH CH3 thrice square bracket thrice. So the structure of aluminum is like this: OCH CH3 CH3. Here also same as OCH CH3 CH3 OCH CH3 CH3. Now this structure is going to help us in the during the uh, understanding the mechanism of the opener oxidation reaction. Now we will see the opener oxidation reaction, as the reaction is suggesting that the alcohol is going to get converted into corresponding uh, aldehyde or ketone. Okay, so if this R dash is an what H, then there will be formation of aldehyde, and if this R dash is an alkyl group, then there will be formation of ketone. Okay, so we will see the reaction. The excess of acetone is getting used in during the reaction in presence of aluminium isopropoxide. Then aluminum isopropoxide is what AlOCH CH3 thrice square bracket thrice. Okay, in presence of what benzene or toluene, we are going to get what the corresponding RCOR dash. Okay, so plus this this acetone is going to get reduced, as this acetone is acting and this acetone is acting as what oxidizing agent. So we know the definition of oxidizing agent. Oxidizing agent is nothing but what the which oxidizes other and self get reduced, as this acetone is accepting an hydrogen atom from the our alcohol group, and that alcohol group is get converted into what acetone or aldehyde. So this all is about what the reaction of the opener oxidation reaction. Okay, now we will see the mechanism of the opener oxidation reaction, how the opener oxidation is getting take place. Now the mechanism of opener oxidation reaction involves simply three steps. Now in the step 1, the formation of the formation of the that formation of the oxonium ion is going to take place in the first step. Okay, so we will see how the oxonium ion is getting formed in the first step. Okay, so simply this startingly the our alcohol is getting reacted with aluminum isopropoxide AlOCH CH3. As I have said already, that this structure we have seen already previously. Here will be like OCH CH3 twice, this thrice. Okay, why this twice? Because one of the uh, what we say is you state that okay, so these are going to get reacted, which will lead to the formation of what we are going to get the oxonium ion. One of the lone pair is accepted by the aluminium, which will lead to the formation of oxonium ion. Okay, So bond formation, that one of the lone pair is getting formed with bond with the aluminum. Here will be like same OCH CH3. Okay, this will be twice, this will be twice, and here OCH CH3 CH3. Here also same, that CR R dash, this hydrogen. Now this is the formation of oxynium ion in the first step. Now in the second step, this oxynium ion, now in the step 2, this oxynium ion is losing, and it's one of the what do we say, that isopropoxide chain, this. Okay, so this one of the isopropoxide chain is losing there by the this aluminum isopropoxide oxynium ion. Okay, now this oxynium ion will form an intermediate. The formation of intermediate is what? Step 2. Okay, now the intermediate will be like this: O Al O CH3 twice, this will be twice, and CH3. As this oxynium ion is an unstable, one of the isopropoxide chain will take in one hydrogen from there, and the isopropoxide will be loose from the reaction. Now in this step 3, okay, this what we used to see, it is an intermediate. This intermediate is going to react with what? Our acetone. Now when this intermediate is getting reacted with the acetone is taking in one of the hydrogen from it. Also it is forming an bond with the aluminum ion. This oxygen and aluminum is forming a bond. So the this molecule from the intermediate is going to get eliminated. Okay, so we will get what? CH3COO CH3 plus metal complex ion formation will be take place in the step 3, like this. Okay, Al O CH3 twice plus, okay, plus that simply upper side as OCH3 twice, this is thrice. Okay, so this was all about the mechanism of the open or oxidation reaction. So we will revise again it. So the open or oxidation reaction we have seen already, that this is the what? Aluminum isopropoxide. Then this is the structure of the aluminum isopropoxide. This is the reaction, typical reaction of open or oxidation reaction. Okay, so this was all about the open or oxidation reaction mechanism. So this is very complex but easy to understand, but very much easy to forget. So listen and watch this video carefully, and I have given already the written notes of this reaction in the description box. You can go through it also. And if you don't have subscribed my channel yet, so please subscribe and like this video if you have understand this video. So please, thank you.